On July 31st, 2023, Comptia introduced a new version of its Security Plus exam called the SY0-701, replacing the 601 exam from 2020. They update this exam every 3 years to stay current with cybersecurity strengths. Starting in November 2023, you can take the SY0-701 exam, while the 601 exam will be available until July 2024. You can check the exact dates on the Comptia official website. So let's talk about the Comptia Security Plus exam. Every year, over 350,000 people take this exam, making it one of the most popular IT certifications worldwide. More organizations are looking for cybersecurity professionals, so passing this exam can benefit you in several ways. This certification is well respected in the IT industry, which can help you gain trust with employers and clients. Now let's talk about the exam's difficulty. To be honest, the Comptia Security Plus exam is tough. Some people even say it's not for the faint of heart. I personally failed it on my first try. I realized that even experienced IT professionals found it challenging. As the exam evolves, it focuses more on practical IT security tasks rather than just theory. So why am I talking about this exam? Because I want to help you succeed, just like I eventually succeeded when I took the exam again. While I can't provide a one-on-one coaching, I'm putting together a group of people who want to enter the cybersecurity field, including passing the Comptia Security Plus exam. If you haven't heard, my company, Forwarded Consulting Limited, is starting a 15-week cybersecurity bootcamp on October 9, 2023. Even if you are watching this video after the start date, you can look through the description if you are watching this video on YouTube to see a link that directs you on how you can enroll for the next session. With the Forwarded Bootcamp, I will help you pass the Security Plus exam on your first try. You see, self-learning is possible, but it's tougher, especially if you don't have a tech background. Online courses often focus on exam preparation and might not prepare you for real-world challenges. Our bootcamp offers practical classes where you will apply what you learn, and you will graduate with confidence and skill to handle real-world security issues. Plus, you will also have access to instructors and fellow participants to support you. This bootcamp is going to be led by 3 cybersecurity experts with the skills to help you become cybersecurity pros in just 4 months. We also help with internships, job referrals, and support for those looking to move to countries with high demand for cybersecurity professionals. In short, join our cybersecurity bootcamp to kickstart your career in cybersecurity. So whether you are watching this video on YouTube or any other channel, follow the instructions you see on your channel to enroll for the cybersecurity bootcamp. I wish you all the best in your cybersecurity journey.